Thank you for your interest in writing for Helen and congrats on a successful registration. My name is Philip Watson, founder and developer for Helen, and today I am going to walk you through Helen's Writer Setup Guide. So let's get started. Today I will be showing you how to do 5 things. They include logging into your new account, setting up your author account, which includes adding a profile photo, setting up your author bio, adding social media links to your bio, and changing your password. I will also be showing you how to set up AutoShare using Jetpack, as well as create your first post, which includes adding titles and subtitles, setting up images and videos, adding categories and tags, and saving, previewing, and publishing your first post. I will also be showing you how you can blog from your mobile device using the WordPress.org application. Now I've created a test author account to show you exactly what you will be going through. So let's go ahead and log in. Here we go. Now I'm in my inbox now, and you should be seeing a similar email such as this one in your inbox. Now this email contains your login information, which is your username, your password, and a link to the website that you can log into. So firstly, let's just click on that link. It should open up in a new tab as you're seeing here. And let's just wait on that to load. In the meanwhile, we can just go ahead and copy this password here. Enter the username. This username is Helen Writers. Let's enter that username. And the password, we can just paste that there and click login. Let's just wait on that to log in there. My internet is moving a bit slow today. So there you have it. We have logged into the author dashboard for Helen. So let's go back and check on what we need to do next. Alright, so let's go back to the top here. Okay, great. Setting up your author account. So the next thing to do, as you can see, is to add a profile photo. So let us go back to the author dashboard. Alright, now to add a profile photo, we need to go onto the website, to the front end of the website to do that. So to go to the front end of the website, what you will need to do is to open a new tab and go to the website address. That's helloitshelen.com. And great, that's loaded. Now let us just go through to the written area of the written tutorial of setting up your author account. So here we have setting up your author bio. Alright, so the first thing you will need to do is change your profile picture from the front end. You can do this by visiting the homepage helloitshelen.com. We have already logged in. So from the homepage, click the image beside what's new. So click the image beside what's new to visit your profile. Click the button beside activity and then click change profile picture. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So what's new, Helen Writers, click the image. So let's click on this image here. And if you are seeing the video being broken up in parts, that's because sometimes I do have to pause the video to allow things to just load up a bit. As I said, my internet is moving a bit slow right now. So let's just go ahead and change this picture here. So we click on profile. And then we go ahead and click change profile photo. Alright, so let's just see what's happening here. Alright, great. So we can go ahead and hit choose file, and then we are going to look for a photo to use as our profile photo. Alright, so let me just choose one here. I'm basically going to use one of my logos for this one. Alright, here we go. So it's there. Next thing to do is just click upload image. And should be uploaded in a moment. Alright, so there we go. The image has been successfully uploaded. So now we're required to crop this image. So let's just go ahead and do that right now. We click crop image. Great. So now what we're seeing is that uh, your new profile photo was uploaded successfully. Great. So we have gotten past that. Let's just continue here with our written tutorial. Alright, so we select choose file. Alright, so the next thing to do is to log into Helen's dashboard, the backend, and get access to writing up your author bio. So let's just get back to there. Alright, so this is where we are now. Let's just go. We should click on profile because that's what you will need to do. You'll need to set up your author account. So click on profile. Alright, and once you click on profile, this window should come up. Alright, so let me just explain a couple of things here. Alright, so don't disable the visual editor when writing, just leave that unchecked. Admin color scheme, this is what this does. Alright, it actually can change the color of your administration background, so let's check on it. uh, if you click light, there we go, gives it a light color, blue, coffee. So you can just go ahead and choose any one of these that matches your personality, or just anyone that you would like. Alright, um, alright, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work with ectoplasm for this one. That's the purple. Let's continue here. Keyboard shortcuts, enable keyboard shortcuts for comment moderation. No, let's not do that, leave that unchecked. Toolbar, show toolbar when viewing site. Yes, keep this check. The reason why you can keep this check is that it allows for easier access to the admin panel when you are viewing the front end of the site. Proofreading, automatically proofread content when a post or page is first published. Yes, you should do that. Tick that post or page is updated. Yes, click that. English option, enable proofreading for the following grammar style when writing posts and pages. Yeah, you should just go ahead and click all of these. Alright, just go ahead and tick all of those. Use automatically detected language to proofread post or pages. Yes, click that as well. Ignored phrases, don't add anything here. Posts by email, link account with WordPress.com. Let's not do that right now. All right, it's not advised that you should post to Helen using your email address. All right, so let's go ahead and set up this profile some more. You can add your first name here. I am going to add my let's just use Helen. Last name, let's use Test here. So that's Helen Test. And the nickname required, that's your username. No, your username is that your nickname is Helen Users. You can just leave that as it is there. Display name publicly as, when you're displaying your name to the public, you should always display it as your first name, then last name. So Helen Test, as it is here, first name, last name. This is what your name should be displayed as publicly, because this will be added to all of your posts automatically. Okay, let's continue here. All right, so contact info. Alright, let's add these here. So these are where your social media links will go. Alright, and websites. Alright, let's add this website here. Let's add Helen's website. Hello, it's Helen.com. I'll show you how these will show up in a bit. Google Plus. You can add your Google Plus account. Your Google Plus account should look something like this. Let me just go back to the written tutorial here. Here we go. So it should look something like this: https google.com and some numbers behind it. So let's just add this. These are my personal accounts, but so let's just add them to this one for tutorial purposes. So we paste that there. There's Twitter. Alright, let's just paste that there as well. Alright, so what you notice here is that when you're adding your social media links, don't just add twitter.com or at Philip Watson 21. Alright, it should be the entire URL, that's the entire link, which includes the HTTPS, the colon / twitter.com / Philip Watson. Alright, and you can just continue the same along the same line for the rest of them. For Facebook, it would be my Facebook. I didn't add my Facebook one to the written one here, but if I should be adding my Facebook account, it would be HTTPS. Remember, it needs to have the entire link here. That's / facebook.com / my Facebook username, which is Philip.I.Watson, and that will carry me to that link. Is good for that link will carry me to my Facebook account. Alright, so let's just leave those for now. We can add others such as your Instagram, your LinkedIn, and your LinkedIn as well. Alright, let's see what's happening here. Okay, great. Now for your LinkedIn account, it's a bit more technical, and in the written tutorial for the writer setup guide, I have outlined how to set up your LinkedIn profile. Alright, add your LinkedIn URL to HELEN, so you can just read through that, and it will show you how to add it. It's a bit long, so I've omitted it for this one right now. So just read through it, and it will tell you exactly how to do that. Alright, now your author bio. Alright, now let's just go back to our written tutorial here. Alright, so after you have successfully added all your social media links, scroll down to About Yourself and add a short summary bio about you. It should be about 50 words. Remember that this summary, along with your profile picture, will be attached to the end of all your posts. Alright, so let's just do that right now. Remember, your author bio should be a short summary about you and what you represent, and should add some credibility to all your posts. So this is my personal author bio. Philip is the founder of HELEN and a tech enthusiast, blah 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 blah. So what I'm going to do here is, again for tutorial purposes, just copy this and add it to this bio here. Yeah, alright, yeah, that's good. Okay, and continuing, you can change your password if you want. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change this password. Now, the reason why you would want to change your password is, let's go back to our email. Well, this ZYTGUWPF, whatever that is, it would be a bit technical. It will be definitely hard to remember. Alright, so you would want to change your password to something more user-friendly. So let's just go ahead and do that. So new password. Let me just add a new password here. Let's just call this password 123 for now. That's a weak password. When you're setting your password, make sure that it's user friendly and strong comes up here. That password 123 is actually very weak right now, but for tutorial purposes, let's just use that. Okay, great. So we had changed our password there. Classifieds profile info. Now the classifieds profile info, sorry, it's just in case you would be adding classified ads to HELEN system. On each local network there is a classifieds database, but I doubt you will be doing that, so let's just ignore that for now. So we can go ahead and click update profile, and this will actually save our new author bio. Let me just go ahead in the meanwhile and show you how that will look. Alright, let me go. I'm just trying to find a post here. Let me go to click on one of the local networks here and bring up a post. to show you what your author bio should look like. Okay, great. So we have brought up a post here. Alright, so let me just scroll down through here. Scrolling through this post here to the author bio. So this is what your author bio should look like. Alright, it should have your profile photo, your name here, and the bio itself. This is your author box. And your bio should be here, and also your social media links will be showing up at as just as how it is here. All right, so it does have it does add some a professional outlook, a professional look to your blog posts. All right, so let's just go back right now to the admin panel. All right, here we go. So your profile has been updated. Okay, great. So we are on track right now. Let's just continue and see what's next. All right. All right. So next up, Jetpack. So Jetpack takes the stress out of things by providing a great service, one of many. Auto sharing. Auto sharing your posts to social media accounts is a very good thing because we we wouldn't want to be clicking on a bunch of social media buttons after we have made our post to get the word out. It would be more beneficial if that's done automated. All right, so Jetpack setup still from the back end, which is the dashboard. Click Jetpack from the main menu. All right, and you will need a WordPress account to use Jetpack. So let's just go ahead and do this right now. All right, so we are in here, and wait, I'm not seeing this right now. Let me just try and find this right here. Oh, I saw what happened there. I went back onto the global dashboard. We would want to stay on the local dashboard, which is the country that you are living in. All right, so let's just continue here. So here we have Jetpack right here. So we click on Jetpack. Let's just wait until that comes up. Okay, great. So when that comes up, it says it is asking for you to link your account to WordPress.com. Now we would need to link an account to our account to WordPress account. So let's just go ahead and click that. All right. If you don't have a WordPress.com account as yet, you would need to create one. All right. So Jetpack wants to connect the user Helen Writers to helloitshelen.com/Jamaica to your account at WordPress. All right. So we don't have an account for Helen Writers on WordPress.com. So let us just go ahead and create one. All right. So click Need an Account. You'll be taken to the WordPress.com website. The email address is already there. The username is already there. So the only thing that we would need to add here is the password. So let's just add that password that we added earlier, which is password 123, right? Yes. All right. So that is one of the most common passwords used on the web. Try something a little more unique. All right. So I guess we would definitely need to make some changes here. How about let's just use Helen. Let's just use our username as the password. Helen users. Alright, great. So it says no, check your email to complete registration. So let's just go back in our email here. We should be seeing an email from them. Great. It's already there. Alright. So thank you for signing up for WordPress.com. Click the button below to activate your account. Let's just go ahead and do that. Alright, so we're here. Once this comes up, we can go ahead and click Authorize Jetpack. And it should bring us back to our admin dashboard. Great. So you're fueled up and ready to go. So our author account is connected to WordPress.com, which will allow us to use Jetpack. Now, what we want to do after we have connected our account to Jetpack, let's just go ahead and click on Settings and then click on Sharing. This will allow us to connect our own personal social media accounts to our Helen author account. So that means whenever we make a post, it will actually be posted to all our social media accounts automatically. So we're here in the auto sharing feature for Jetpack. So what you're seeing here is that there are already some accounts connected for you. So what this means is that anytime you make a post, uh, they will actually be posted to the official pages for the local network that you're on. All right, so if you can actually go ahead by and connect your own personal accounts by clicking add new to add new under any one of the channels listed, and they will allow you to connect to your personal accounts, as I said before, and share the posts automatically to these. I'm going to actually skip this for now. It can get a bit annoying at times because it does take a while. For some reason, when you click add new, the probably it's just from the social media channels itself. They do take a while to come up, but you can just spend some time and connect your accounts